How to log into your Sofi Bank online account. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily log into your Sofi online bank account. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up any web browser you have. I'm using Google Chrome, and then simply search for Sofi Bank. Or you can just type in the URL www.sofi.com, and then you'll be taken directly to their official website. Once you land on the website, here on the top right corner you have different options. So if you're new, you can click on Get Started to create an account and log in. And if you already have an account, you can just simply tap on this login option. Now you'll be taken to a different login portal where you will have an option to enter your email address that's connected to your account, and then simply enter your password as well. Make sure that both your email and password are correct, and then click on login. Now you will be logged in directly to your Sofi bank account. And in case if you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password, and here you'll just have to provide your email address, and they will be sending you out a reset link on your email. Now just click on Continue, and once you reset your password from there, you can simply log back in again. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.